Hey there, and welcome to this video about how to do an in-text citation. So an in-text citation is very different from your works cited page, which is again a list of all your citations that you have inside of your cited research project, your cited research paper. So I am just going to have my works cited page right here. It is this article. It's written by this person right here. I think we say that like Parrish. But your in-text citation is going to be something a little bit different. And what it's going to be is it's going to be basically a quote that it's going to be a quote that I'm taking from an article, and I have to put something at the end of it, which is my in-text citation, which lets the person reading the paper know where I got this quote from. You can already see here that I have an in-text citation at the end. This is what it looks like. It's the author's name with the page number in here. And this is what I would be like, I would put then like, text here. I want to get rid of that quote. And then I would put like more text here, like my analysis to kind of make this whole thing happen. Now, the way this happens is like this. So I basically found this quote. Let me go back to here. I basically found this quote in this article right here, and I copied and pasted it from right here into my paper. NoodleTools will give you the format for the in-text citation, just like it will give you everything for the works cited page and everything. So if you actually go to these three dots right here, you will see a window for in-text citation. And when I click on that, it brings me up like a whole bunch of things here. So right off the bat, most things are just going to be the author's name with the page number. Now, it will tell you here, if you're getting it from a database and there's no page number, just kind of like leave it, like don't put it in there and just leave the author's name. But in a lot of the databases, you can look at like the full text PDF. And if you scroll down through this full text PDF, you'll be able to see the page number. You'll just have to find the quote to match it as it goes in here. So you'll see here on 481, here it is right here. And JSTOR will do this too. Gale databases will do this too. So I'm going to go in here. I'm just going to put in 481. And then you'll see it kind of like populate right here. And this is basically what I copy and pasted and put in there. You will notice a bunch of different scenarios here of like, well, what happens if your author's names are similar to each other on your works cited page? How do you differentiate that? What happens when there is no author and you want to, differentiate that? And it's giving you examples here. Once you have it done and you have it copied, you are going to put it in just like this. Please note that the real quote of this has a period here, but I did delete it. And I moved it to the end of this in-text citation because it is part of the sentence when you do it. And it just lets, again, someone know where on your works cited page this quote is coming from. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Have a great day. Take care.